Guys, I put a small camera on my big rock and it didn't work out too well. It kept on falling off over and over again. Like the adhesive will not stick onto the big rock. That's probably because it's really humid outside right now, but it's also because the adhesive is just really bad. But I did get some pretty cool shots, so in this video, I'm going to show them to you. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. It really wasn't much, but I really wanted to show you guys these shots. And make sure to subscribe and check out our other two channels, Speedsterz and Speedsterz Shorts. Bye.